Okay, sorry. This is continuing this problem. I made a boo-boo, and because I'm human, and I want to point it out. So when I added these two negatives, this should have been negative. I lost a negative. That is actually the most common mistake you might make, and obviously I make. Sorry. So now this just became negative here. It stays negative here. So when they add together, 154 minus 60, or plus a negative 60, you actually should get 94. I knew something wasn't looking right, and I lost where it was, so I apologize. All right, and then I'm going to divide both sides by a negative 47. So x is going to end up equaling negative 2. So now I have x. Now I'm going to take that x, and I'm going to plug it back in to either equation 4 or equation 5. I think equation 4 looks a little easier, so I'm going to choose 4, which is 5 times x, which is negative 2, minus z equals a negative 14. Okay, so I have a negative 10, so I need to add it to both sides. So I'm going to get a negative z equals negative 4, negative 14 plus 10. And then I can't have z being negative, so I divide by negative 1, which makes both of these positive. So z is going to be a positive 4. Then I take that x and z, and I plug it back into one of my original equations. And I'm going to choose equation number 1. So when you plug it in here to find your second variable, you plug it into 4 or 5. To find your third variable, you plug it into 1, 2, or 3. So if I plug it into 1, I have an x, which is negative 2, plus y, don't know what y is yet, minus z, so minus 4, equals negative 9. I have a negative 2 and a negative 4, so that makes it y minus 6 equals negative 9. So add the 6, y is going to equal negative 3. Okay, so now I have my answer, my x, y, and z. So you write it as a point, parentheses, negative 2, negative 3, 4, x, y, z, and then we need to check it. So I used equation 1 to solve, so I'm going to use equation either 2 or 3 to check. Oops, and you can't see it very well. So I'm just going to use equation 2. So I have 2 times a negative 2 minus 3 times a negative 3 plus 2 times 4 equals 13. Well, I have a negative 4 plus 9. Remember, negative times negative makes a positive, so I'm at 5 plus 8 is 13. So that checked out.